part 2 because the battery ran out, so I took a little nap and I figured finish this up. This is where we were the last time. I was right here. I had a couple of packs here. I thought I'd bring in a couple of the 4Sport 92, obviously the classic. You can get Jeter autograph worth up to $3,000. You know, you can get rookie cards.
In Gym Mint.
In Gym Mint,
okay.
obviously.
Let's bottom these out real quick.
This
was still the pack we left off.
Yeah, this is the pack I just left. See what was up.
Cats in the background.
Lions. Sticky, sticky, icky. No go. Jamie Arnold's. He was that guy that was Arnold Palmer. I kind of got that glass. That was sticky.
Try to go a little quicker. Just in case it died again.
Derek Wallace.
Okay. So as she opens that pack, let's see what we got so far. In pretty damn good shape. Those look really, really good. So then pretty perfect. And we'll send these in.
Kenny Filter.
Okay. So there's one bonus card per pack. And I think there's probably only one Jeter. But you never know. There should be another regular one.
No, I like to open them upside down.
Well, that means you don't put the pressure on the
Chad McConnell. Some more freaking whatnots.
checklists. Ryan Taylor is supposed to be the next big thing. Didn't work out. Number 1 pick.
Sean Lowe.
If you miss one, it ain't that big a deal. Try to get it in. Yeah, exactly. That's organic. We got it in.
You know what's funny? No, look, it's in sequence. No.
Is there? Okay, you realized it. That's
Derek.
Smart.
This
see
whatnot.
every time? Okay.
This Derek.
Okay, well, remember we're gonna run out of time.
Sorry.
My space on my phone sucks.
Menage a trois.
I hope so. That'd be nice. So the centering's really good on that one too. Corners are good. Maybe we can get another bonus. Brian Taylor.
Brian Taylor.
He used to be worth a whole lot. So Tasha knows the sequence.
Sequence.
That turns me on, honestly. Use that word. A lot of people in the card market don't even know what that means.
Oh, few and far between people do. Coming down to the end, got about 3 packs left. They're not wanting to be opened. Mike Kelly.
You'll know now if you see some other players.
Holt Smith. Mike Musona.
He was good. So that one probably in Gym Mint would sell for like $50, honestly. I've seen that one sell for 50.
Really?
Because the bonus cards are really hard to get. Oops. Nah.
Is this a rookie card?
Foil doesn't show up very much.
No.
And they got the regular version.
Okay, down to the last pack.
Get that one in. We're at 5 minutes. It died at 6 last time.
Okay.
Might not get these cards for you. Nope. Okay. See,
It's stuck. Oh, you got a finger every one of them. Alright, for...
those are really going to be stuck, I think. Those were more notorious for it. It's more classic product.
Let's not risk the Pacific when you open those.
Come on, Jeter Autos.
Dun, dun.
Get into.
But I guess that's a certain way they give, you know, so.
Yeah.
Maybe we should put them in the back.
Oh, there's a Shaq rookie. Nope, that's not it. It doesn't matter.
Dexter.
There's Shaq and Jeter regular rookies in here, and there's some other good players too, but those are the main autos you look for. Sucks. So my luck could get one in there. It'd be stuck in that fucker. Another thing, I try to bend the whole pack. Break them loose. Ugh. But when it's no good card, it doesn't matter. Those will end up in the dirt pile.